Hello, today we will guide you through how to create app password for Microsoft Outlook Email Office 365. An app password is a special auto-generated code you use in place of your regular password for older apps or devices that don't support modern sign-in security. It works with two-step verification, so you can keep your account protected while still signing in where needed. First, open your web browser and go to account.microsoft.com. If you're prompted, sign in to the Microsoft account you use with Outlook or Office 365. You'll land on the account homepage. Next, head to the Security area. On the top navigation, select Security. This is where you manage how you sign in and how your account is protected. Choose Manage How I Sign In. This page lists your sign-in preferences and security settings. Before you can create an app password, make sure two-step verification is turned on. Two-step verification adds an extra check, such as a code or approval from an authenticator app, and it's required for generating app passwords. If it's off, turn it on and follow the prompts to confirm your identity. Now scroll down on the same page until you find the section for additional security options related to app passwords. Look for Create a new app password and select it. Follow the on-screen procedure. Microsoft will generate a unique app password for you. Copy this password and store it somewhere secure for the moment because it may only be shown once. When an app or device asks for your Microsoft account password, you'll use this app password instead of your usual one. It helps the app sign in without bypassing the extra protection you've set up. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you don't see the option to create an app password, your organization or admin may have disabled it, or your account may already be using modern authentication that doesn't require app passwords. Keep your app password private. Treat it like a key. If you ever think it was exposed, return to this same security page, revoke it, and create a new one. And remember, you can create separate app passwords for different devices to keep things organized. That's it. You went to your Microsoft account home, opened Security, managed how you sign in, verified two-step verification was on, scrolled to the app password section, created a new app password, and followed the on-screen steps. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.